How to change the transmission fluid on a 2012 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. First, pop the hood and remove this airbox. To do so, remove the two 10mm bolts the mechanic shows here. With the airbox out of the way, you will be able to access the transmission fill port as shown here. To unscrew, use either a 3/8 extension or a 22mm socket to remove. Be careful though, both the cover and plug are made of plastic and can break. Now you will need to get under the vehicle and remove the plastic cover underneath. On some year models like this one, you can actually remove one side at a time as the mechanic shows here. With that out of the way, locate the transmission drain plug on the bottom of the transmission. This is on the driver's side of the vehicle. Now, using a 24mm socket, remove the drain plug. Be sure to have a pan or bucket to catch the escaping fluid. While the transmission is draining, go ahead and clean the drain plug. Notice this plug has a seal around it. If you plan to reuse this seal, be sure not to lose it. But if you can, go ahead and replace it with a new one anyways. With the transmission fluid down to a drip, reinsert the drain plug, then torque it to 32 foot-pounds. With that tight, we will now move our focus to the front of the transmission. On the front cover, you will see a check plug. Remove this by taking a 3/8 ratchet and turning counterclockwise as the mechanic shows here. We are now ready to add transmission fluid. Put a long neck funnel in the fill port on top of the transmission to add. It takes around 4 quarts for the fluid to reach the check hole on the front of the transmission. After 4.5 quarts, you can see fluid coming from the check hole. But we are not done yet. Now you will need to start the vehicle and add more fluid. Be sure the vehicle is level and in park while checking the transmission fluid level. It only took another half quart to get fluid to run out of the check hole again. Now we are ready to put the check plug back in place. The transmission fluid should be down to a trickle when putting the plug back in. Turn the plug clockwise until you feel it snap into place. Do not over-tighten because this is made of plastic and can easily break. Now we will clean off this area. Now we will install the fill plug. Be sure not to over-tighten because it is made of plastic and can easily strip or break. Just tighten until you feel a little resistance. The mechanic will now reinsert the air tube and tighten the two 10mm bolts. You will need to test drive this vehicle and get the transmission up to operating temperature. If you have no way to check that, it usually takes around 15 to 20 miles at 60 miles per hour to get it to operating temp. Once you have it to operating temperature, recheck the transmission fluid level and add accordingly. Once full, you can insert the plastic cover back under your vehicle. I hope this video helps you guys. Please give a like and subscribe.